This is a question from compiler design. Three address codes can be represented in special structures known as quadruples, triples, patterns, and indirect triples. We are asked to choose which are the correct options from this. So the implementation of three address code can be represented in three special structures. They are quadruple, quadruple, triple, and indirect triple, indirect triples. So these are the three basic representations. So A, B, and D. A, B, and D. So ideally, option B will be the correct choice. Let's see the explanations for this. So consider an expression of the form A equal to B into minus C plus B into minus C. So in quadruple representation, what happens is it has a structure of four fields. These are the four fields. We are having an operator, argument 1, argument 2, and we store the particular result. So the major advantage of this is we can quickly access the value of a temporary variable using the symbol table. The major disadvantage is it contains lot of temp variables. That is one disadvantage. So how this is represented in this is like first we'll be representing minus c. Minus c will be like argument 1 and u minus. This will be stored in result t1. Then it will be multiplied with b. So t1 is minus c. It is multiplied with b and it is stored in t2. Similar operation for this minus c. This happens here and then it is multiplied by t3 with b and result is stored in t4. Then we are finally adding those t2 and t4 and then finally it is t5 is assigned to variable a. So lot of intermediate temp variables are here. That is one major disadvantage of this quadruple representation, but the major advantage is we can easily rearrange the code for global optimization. Now we are having another method, that is triple representation. Here we don't make use of extra temporary variables. No extra temp variables are here. Temp variables. Instead, when a reference to another triple value is needed, a pointer to that triple is used. So we are using a pointer to the triple variable to make the access. So the difficulty is temporaries are implicit and it is difficult to rearrange. So that is one major disadvantage, but space is highly utilized. Next, we are having a triple representation. A triple representation makes use of a pointer to list all references to the computations which is made separately and stored. It's similar in utility as compared to quadruple representation, but it requires less storage space. Temporaries are implicit and easier to rearrange code. So these are the three forms of representing three address codes. So based on the options, option B, A, B, and D only are the correct answer here.